Kumusta mga kababayan? Pagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. Isa na namang kwento ng ating kababayan ang ating masasaksihan. Subalit bago ang lahat, pakiclick naman ang bell button at mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po.
Excellent.
Despite the referee wipes the gloves clean, and it's Doro really is finding the range on his punch.
Pinay na undefeated prospect na alaga ni Manny Pacquiao na nagngangalang Weljan Mindoro ang hinahangaan at sumisikat ngayon sa mundo ng sports na boxing dahil sa taglay nitong lakas ng kamao nito. Lahat ng nakasagupa nito ay walang nakaligtas, durog at knockout lang ang sinapit ng mga ito sa kamao ng ating kababayang si Weljan Mindoro. Kaya naman, nagtataglay ito ng 100% knockout ratio. Lahat ng mga nagtatangkang kapusin ng Pinoy ay dinurog lang nito at pinatulog sa lona. Kaya naman kinatatakutan ng Pinoy ng mga kalaban at maging mga boxing analyst na si Atty. Ed Tolentino ay nagulat sa lakas ng kamao ni Weljan Mindoro.
Ang bigat ng punching power ng batang ito. Alam nyo, ang kanyang apelyido ay Mindoro. Pero ang lakas ng kanyang suntok ay unti-unti nang nararamdaman sa buong mundo. Looking to become only the second Filipino world middleweight champion.
Samantala, ang ating kababayang si Weljan Mindoro ay may edad na 25 at may malinis na kartada sa kasalukuyan na 14 na panalo, 14 na knockout at lumalaban sa middleweight division. Samantala matapos ang kanyang sunod-sunod na knockout wins laban sa kapwa nito mga Pinoy, isinagupa nito ang veteranong Indonesian boxer na si Wempi Rake, isang makunat na boxer at sanay makipagbasagan sa ibabaw ng lona. Ngunit isang uppercut ang tumapos sa Indonesian fighter. Panalo ang ating kababayan by a third round knockout. Samantala, sunod naman na nakasagukan ni Weljan Mindoro ang isang Japanese boxer na si Mao Tameda at dumayo pa sa Pilipinas upang bigyan umano ng kauna-unahang talo ang ating kababayan. Subalit round 1 pa lang ay knockout ang sinapit nito kay Weljan Mindoro. Kaya naman, sa panimula pa lang ng bakbakan ay sinugod agad nito si Weljan Mindoro para pabagsakin agad ang Pinoy. Panalo ang ating kababayan by a first round knockout. Samantala noong July 2024 ay first time ni Weljan na dumayo at mapasabak sa bansang Amerika kung saan sinagukan niya dito ang isang British fighter na si Tyler Goodjan. May kartada itong 13 wins, 5 losses at 4 knockouts. Samantala si Weljan Mindoro ay may malinis na kartada na 11 wins at 11 knockouts. Sa sagupahan ng dalawa ay hindi inaasahan ng Brito na malakas pala ang kamao ng Pinoy nang gulpihin at pabagsakin ito na 3 beses ang British fighter.
And you wonder why guys lie when they say when they make weight, right? So much. The easiest
team, likening him to a small package, packs a big punch.
Mindoro, a lot stockier. The ring on Mindoro. Mindoro is a knockout puncher. He has in deep water. That's where Goodjan wants to bring him.
The head movement. Mindoro's having trouble getting to him. Goodjan gonna hurt to the body now. His hip is
Hard. You got to throw it between all those hard, big shots.
2011, solid pro for him. Oh, good shot.
And knuckles are cut by decision. 9 of his 13 wins.
He's an 18-fight pro, so a ton of experience for Good John, and he's trying to use
Shout out to Mindoro, and I was like, all right, I got a crazy guy in front of me.
punchers don't punch the same way when they're on their back foot. So, good uppercut. Good John is doing a great job. Upper body move from Good John.
You guys talk about it all. Good shot from Mindoro. Now goes Good John. Popping up a little. You probably should hold it. Such thing as being too tough for your own good. Good John getting into a firefight. Good John getting into a firefight. It's like second.
I was going to say, going punch for punch with a puncher like Mindoro, not a good idea.
May have to hold here. Let's see if he holds. Good John's not the holding time. The heart of trying to fight fire with fire.
Panalo si Weldian Mindoro by a second round knockout. Samantala matapos naman ang 4 na buwan, November 2024, ay muling lumipad at napasabak si Weldian Mindoro sa bansang Amerika kung saan sinagupan niya dito ang Brazilian boxer na si Lucas de Abreu. May kartada itong 14 wins, 5 losses at 11 knockouts. Samantala si Weldian Mindoro naman ay may malinis na kartadang 12 wins at 12 knockouts. Sa laban ng dalawa ay hindi pinaporma ng ating kababayan ang Brazilian fighter. 3 beses pinatumba, tulog ang sinapit nito sa kamay ni Mindoro.
So,
Chris, you and I were talking about this off.
he was looking to bang your feet up. He was landed right into the top.
Fantastic time to set Hobox TV.
Length and reach and amateur pack.
He had some punches in that fight. Yep, tough to. Better work. Better round number 1 draws to a close. Smith alongside Chris Algieri. Paul with some power shots. Yeah, but he's smothering a lot of his work here. And bump him.
Also loopy shots going back.
Nah, but that's the thing with Mindoro. I think right now, once you have a great fighter, just finished his era. Copy him.
Chris can't find a single. Certainly excited. Getting over those skis back into the ropes.
Yeah, listen. Was rising. Big right hand. Couple extra seconds. Trying to swarm another knockdown. Looks to be saved by the bell. Gonna use power again. 13 knockouts and 13 wins. Right hand! Right hand! This is over! Wow! It's bad. This is what caused it,
Take
gentlemen.
over. Oh, the balance falls back. Head hits the canvas very hard. We can hear it ringside.
Panalo ang ating kababayan by a 3rd round knockout. Samantala, sunod na napasabak at dumayo ang ating kababayan sa bansang UAE at kung saan sinagupan niya dito ang Australian champion na si Joel Camilleri. May kartada itong 29 wins, 8 losses at 14 knockouts habang si Mindoro naman ay may malinis na kartadang 13 wins at 13 knockouts. Si Joel Camilleri ay former WBC, Asian Welterweight, Australian National Boxing Middleweight at IBP Pan-Pacific Middleweight Champion. Samantala, si Camilleri ay may 2 Pinoy nang tinalo sina Michael Dan at Arnel Tinampay. Samantala sa sagupaan ng dalawa ay muling pinatunayan ng ating kababayan taglay na husay at lakas ng kamao nito na gulpihin at inakaut nito ang Australian champion.
The ring IQ of on as he lands a looping roundhouse right, and he says that the pressure that Mindoro, frustrated figure, and then he'll start for the man from Melbourne. Since moved to Sydney to manage the Costa Zoo, or moved into that role earlier this year. Right cross, left hook to the body, left hook on the inside, landed by Camilleri. Right hand and left hand wandering around across the ring. Remember, both men scaling an identical, and darting laterally both left and right is Camilleri. Well, John Mindoro seeking to pin him against the ropes, bring him square, and nearly did get through the power driving right cross and unloads a couple of punches to the body. Left hook after turning the tables, landed up of his profession as a reigning world. Everything within his shape has Good right hand to the body, followed by a left hook upstairs from Camilleri, but then Mindoro backing his man across the ropes with a forward foray, but keeping his composure under fire and answering with a single was Camilleri with a right uppercut, but pulling the trigger first against Newington. Oh, what a Mindoro from around the kneecap, just cracked right into his face to disrupt his forward movement. Beautiful shot with that lead approaching the halfway stage as the overhand right from Camilleri was a speculative shot. Camilleri goes by the nickname of Kamakeo in the boxing ring as he circumnavigates, his back skimming against the ropes. Well, Mindoro out aggressively and letting a fusillade of punches go, and a couple of the body shots did get through, followed by a flashing right uppercut. Pinned in his own corner is Camilleri, keen to try and fashion a clinch, but then just, beautiful two-shot salvo to the body. He got real leverage onto his shots, but now it's Camilleri walking down the knockout artist, and he's teeing away to the body. Well, sometimes the puncher's instinct comes having made his debut in 2019. But Camilleri with a cuffing right hand and then tying his man out. Physical contest. Bring the half cover guard. There he's accurate. Clocking up the miles on his fistic odometer as he glides around the perimeter of the ring. Camilleri serving him work out at the Rocky Road Gym as a flashing left-right combination catches the advancing Mindoro from Camilleri. Walked his man down, but Camilleri landing with the inside of the glove, and then an altogether cleaner right hand, and another one from Camilleri, followed by a left hook, boxing beautifully off the ropes as Mindoro tries to respond with a right uppercut of his own, but he's smothered the man from the Philippines. Boxing as for Mindoro, who bulldozed his man back to the ropes and lands with a right cross. Clever boxing out of the corner from Camilleri, who's remained responsible, but now he's beginning to be teed off upon by Mindoro. Is this a stoppage? No, it's a standing count. So, referee Valery Pastuhov's Camilleri. That's a beautiful right hand on the resumption, but now Mindoro has got his man going and he's seeking to demonstrate that he is a precise and merciless finisher once again. It's an awful long time to negotiate. Beautiful left hook, but then a right hand in response from Camilleri. But Mindoro really is finding the range on his punches now and wearing all of them flush. So far, he's taken a standing count. Back into the breach. Steps Mindoro. Senses that he's got his man going. He's wrestled him down to the canvas. That gives brief respite. The referee wipes the gloves clean. And he's walked respite. The referee wipes the gloves clean. And he's walked onto a shot, which was an uppercut, which sends Camilleri forward. And against a finisher like Mindoro, that could well be a long 90 seconds. Camilleri on the ropes above our commentary position, bobbing and weaving, trying to hold off, but he's taken a right uppercut, and the towel has come in from Dino Willinghurst and Joel Camilleri.
Panalo si William Mindoro by a 4th round knockout. Natuwa at hanga si Manny Pacquiao sa pagkakapanalo ng kanyang alaga. Samantala nitong June 2025 ay muling napasabak si William Mindoro sa bansang Amerika, kung saan sinagupan niya dito ang wala pang talo na Mexican fighter na si Omar Munguia. May kartada ang Meksikano na 8 wins at 6 knockouts, habang si Mindoro naman ay may kartadang 13 wins at 13 knockouts. Sa sagupan ng dalawa ay muling nagpamalas si William Mindoro ng tindi ng kamao nito nang pabagsakin nito sa unang round ang undefeated Mexican fighter.
Number one.
Mindoro is one powerfully built middleweight, man.
He is jacked.
Yeah, all wins by knockout, right? So
Yeah.
I mean, he doesn't really have a lot of feel-out rounds either. He throws power right from the start. It's gonna be interesting to see how Munguia deals with it. Like we said, Munguia himself, punching power. He's trying to back up Mindoro early on.
Overhand right. Referee saying out to the back of the head.
Foul.
Time in. Oh, John Mindoro has to watch that the rest of the fight.
Mindoro's very, very explosive. You know, he's easy, relaxed, and then boom, very explosive, big overhand shots, big power, which is why you get those explosive, destructive knockouts that we've seen.
Well, John talked about the strength of his training camp. Started with Kyron Davis, Caleb Plant for his last fight. Supposed to fight Armando Resendiz. Resendiz, of course, fighting and defeating Caleb Plant. So very sharp with that jab. Nice overhand from Munguia, but
And Munguia almost landed a good shot there.
Oh, body shot.
look at that uppercut. Down goes Munguia.
And he's hurt.
Yeah,
He
twisted
is
his hand.
severely hurt.
He didn't
He's not going to beat the count. That is it. Wow, a knockout in the first round for Weljon Mindoro.
right uppercut. If you can see the way it twists Munguia's head, that was that body shot first, and then bang, that shot right there.
Yes.
Panalo si Weljon Mindoro by a first round technical knockout dahil sa pinakitang husay at lakas ng kamao ng ating kababayan ay unti-unti nang nakikilala ito sa Amerika. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan na si Weljon Mindoro? Maaari ka magbigay ng komento sa ibaba at pag-usapan natin yan. Huwag niyong kalimutang i-like, mag-share at please subscribe sa aming mga content. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta mga kababayan. Hanggang sa muli, God bless!